I guess it's not too late to to
Not too, that's
have
never
that,
too
to look
late. You
back
can
to
start again.
2024. Going back to the year-end review, meron ka kasing parang set of questions that you ask yourself or you suggest na people would ask themselves.
What made 2024 successful and beautiful and meaningful for you? One is a review. Reviewing what has happened, noting what are your wins, and then also acknowledging the losses. Then the most important thing after is to congratulate yourself.
Hindi natin ginagawa yun, no?
Hindi na yung ginagawa. Okay, you're still alive. Humihinga ka pa din.
Parang, you just did your job.
But the next point is you evaluate what can you do better. Yung gusto natin yung possibilities. So in full acceptance of everything that has happened in 2024, what do you want to do things better in a positive way again, or how do I move forward?